Okay, so TikTok has released a new feature called the Ask on TikTok feature, and let me show you how it works. So if you go to your profile, so I'll just close this, and right now I'm on my profile and you can see I have the Q&A feature over here. Now the new feature is if you tap on the Q&A, you're going to see it looks slightly different to how it used to look. Now what you do have is all these questions that you can answer that random people have been asking. And if you tap on this little banner at the top there, it's going to show you like a little interactive thing where you can ask a question. And you'll see some questions there scrolling down, but I think that's just a video. So it says add a frame to your profile by asking or answering a question that includes 2021 or 2022. So it says there in 2021, I could ask something like, what was your favorite band? Or something like that. And then you would just tap on the post button to ask your question. Now you can answer questions from random people that you don't know or that don't follow you. So I'm just going to go back and you can just scroll through all the questions. So let me pick one. And this one at the top, what's a TikTok you wish got more views in 2021? To answer this question, just tap on the red answer button. It's going to open up the TikTok camera, and then you'll see a nice little frame around your camera. And then you'll see there, it says the question. It's kind of changed the opacity to a little bit lighter so you can see your camera. Then you would just need to choose your length. So 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes. And then you can go ahead and record your video. So you would just start recording your video and answer the question that you have selected from the Ask on TikTok feature. Let go when you're done. And then you can tap the tick mark at the bottom right. And you can position this question wherever you would like onto the TikTok. I'll put it at the top left. And then it's just like a regular TikTok. You add your sounds, your effects, your text, and your stickers. And you can adjust the clips however you would want to do it. Tap on next at the bottom right when you're done. And then you see you have the caption answer. You can change that and the person's username that you answered the question from. And then the hashtag ask on TikTok. And then you would just select your settings and post that TikTok. So that's the new Ask on TikTok feature. If you got some value out of this video, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.